Hi, my name is Yvette Kontogiannis, and I decided to do my service learning project at the Camarillo Family YMCA. The reason I chose to do my project and my 75 hours here is because I kind of grew up in the YMCA system with Girl Scouts and also just doing swim lessons and different activities there. It was somewhere that I wanted to stay involved with, and so the fact that they had a scholarship campaign volunteer opportunity there was perfect for Capstone. So the Camarillo YMCA is a Christian nonprofit organization, and the YMCA is actually one of the biggest nonprofit organizations in the world. And one of the main things that they do that I think is really cool and interesting is that they do give out scholarship opportunities and scholarship money to families who can't afford things like swim lessons or membership or summer camp or things like that. So one of the main jobs that I had was to help organize the fundraisers and all of the fundraising events for the annual campaign that they have every year, and also to make donor calls and raise money for those scholarship families. One of the other things that we did after the campaign was over was we helped the YMCA kind of gather information and come up with a way to implement the Togetherhood program, which is a program that connects the members of the YMCA to the community, and everyone volunteers together and kind of brings the community together. This is something that other YMCAs around the country have, but we don't have it here at the Camarillo YMCA. So that was one of my jobs as well, was to gather information from different YMCAs, put together a flyer, and just bring that program, at least start it a little bit at this location. So just to go over some of the pictures on my board, this one here is a picture of all of our volunteers that we had that helped at our fundraising event. This was at our victory night that we had at the end of the campaign. Our goal was to raise $100,000, and we got to around, I'd say, $95,000, so we were almost there. And then one of the takeaways that I took away from my experience at the YMCA was the fact that everyone was so connected to each other, all of the employees, all of the volunteers, all of the members. It's really like a big family there, and I thought that was really interesting. Something that I'll take away too in my career after this is the fact that I got experience working with different personalities and different people, and being able to use my skills that I learned in class, like my nonverbal skills and also my interpersonal skills with my experience here. And then one of the theories that I thought was interesting and applied to this was the elaboration likelihood model. And this theory was helpful to keep in mind because it taught me that people process information differently. And that was something that was good to keep in mind when I was talking to people as far as making donations and things like that, that they might have other things on their mind, or they might not be super invested in what I was saying. So that was something I wanted to keep in mind as well. And yeah, thank you for watching.